Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem that there are no sign of power in your system unit, and I have a 3 simple steps you need to know to how to fix this kind of problem. Okay, let's go to the first step. First step, we need to check the power cord if they are not loosened in the power supply and AVR. Okay. And let's start to open the system unit. Okay, let's go. There are no sign of power in this computer and no sign of power in the fan. Okay, let's go to the second step. Second step, you need to check the 4 pin and 24 pin if they are not loosened in the motherboard. This is 4 pin, this is 24 pin. Okay. Okay, let's start the system unit. There are no sign of power too. Okay, let's go to the third step. The third step, you need to check the power switch cord in if they are put in the motherboard perfectly and if they are placed in the proper place. Okay, let's try. This is power this this is power switch cord. Okay, mm, okay, let's try to fix let's try to open the system unit. Okay, let's go. Okay, the fan is working now, and this is the some step you need to know if you are encounter this kind of problem. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.